Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here with some more NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 6, the last one. We are going to do Darrell Wallace Jr.'s, or should I say, yeah, never mind, AfterShokz Be Open number 43 car. Here's the back. Let's get him out of the box. So there is his hood, and here is Darrell Wallace's car. Now let's move him down. So here he is. This number 43 AfterShokz Be Open car. On the front, it's usually black. There's some blue on the bottom. It has an orange 43 on the top, AfterShokz, and on the sides, there's those little special curves that Richard Petty Motorsports cars have, and it is usually black and orange. A black hood, and on the back of here, it's a little different. It's white after, and the shock is the black part. Oh wait, which is a little small for you to see. There's some orange, like an orange little curved lines there. But on the hood, it's a little different. It's just a bunch of white letters than black. Be open, other than the hood of the car. There's 43, his name, or Bubba Wallace, that what it is, and Richard Petty's Motorsports logo. Here's the 360 view of the car. And that's about it. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.